So when you get the box, simply just open it like this, slip the package out, take out the base. This is what the Newton's Cradle will be built on. And when this comes out, this is the part where it's easy to get tangled. I'm going to pull the foam out like this, okay, and then lift it up and sit it onto the base. Push down, and it's ready to go. This is not suitable for kids. Sometimes in science competitions they give these to little kids as a prize, and I highly don't recommend them for kids because they are so easy to tangle. They're for an adult's office desk more than anything. Okay, thank you.